up, everybody? It's Friday, time to do laundry. So gotta go find a laundromat real quick. Let's go. This restaurant right here, nice. Right next to the hotel I'm staying at. Sparrow's Cafe. Had a bologna pasta the other day. I think they probably had the best garlic bread I ever had. That was the best garlic bread I ever had. Boy, it's hot out here. Got a laundromat right there, but I think it's a better one down the street. I think I might try to take a jeepney tomorrow down to the mall. I'm good. Never seen a truck like that. Check out this place. Hello.
I thought it's
How much per kilo?
We're not per kilo, sir. We're per load.
Oh, per load? Okay.
Per load is 160.
Okay. So it's 2:30. They said my laundry will be done already about 5 o'clock. Costed about 240 pesos for wash, folding, and drying and everything. Yeah, so nice deal, nice deal. They're gonna try to find my way down to this beach. Check it out real quick. So let's go. Yeah, I'm not staying at one of the resorts, so the desk clerk told me I need to ask one of the owners of one of these resorts if I could just walk through or something. See how this works out. So I was able to find these water shoes on Amazon. Feel comfortable. Time to play leapfrog. Oh, they got their gate closed. It look like the bird can get through there through them. Hello. Oh, that's nice. Hello. Can you get to the beach through here? Can you get to the beach through here? Can you walk through the beach?
Yes, you can.
Okay, thanks. Oh, I hear some thunder, and I might not be out here too long. Oh, oh, they got like a rope thing over there. try to be out here for a little bit, hearing that thunder. Nice. Oh, they got the jet skis down there. I might try to do that tomorrow, weather permitting. Oh yeah, I might try to have to make my way back before I get caught in some rain. Yeah, I could work with this though. The beach is one of the reasons I consider, I think about possibly moving out this way. Just to have a nice place to come out and relax every now and then. How much? How much is it?
Up or 2000.
You say how much?
Up or 2000.
2000?
Yeah.
For how long?
Up or sure. Alone.
20. Oh, okay. Maybe I'll come tomorrow if the weather good.
Okay.
These yours right here?
Good.
Oh, okay.
Tomorrow?
Maybe tomorrow if the weather. I hear the thunder right now. Yeah.
Okay. Tomorrow.
Yeah. All right. Cool. Thanks. If not tomorrow, Sunday. Oh no, I'm good. Thanks. Oh no, I'm good. I don't like nobody back home. Joke. Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
You stay there in Molina?
Where?
In Molina.
Oh no.
I not but
Yeah.
you for like need something. You need something. Like some Philippine plug.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's magnet.
Oh no, I'm good. I appreciate it.
I'm just
Oh, yeah, they look nice.
and I got also shark tip and some from a mountain lava rock stone.
Oh yeah, I'm good. Thanks.
I got also t-shirt. One t-shirt, some
Oh no, I'm good.
some nigger beer t-shirt, exactly your size.
Oh no, I'm good. I appreciate it though.
Sunglasses one,
Nice. Oh no, I'm good.
Ray-Ban.
Oh, I'm good, man. I appreciate it though.
I'm American.
Yeah, these are all different resorts and everything along the beach. Well, I'm gonna chill for a little bit. But I'm gonna chill for a little bit. So I'll catch you guys later. Deuce. So they said my laundry would be done at 5 o'clock and they was on time. Got it right here. Folded and everything. So now I'm about to go back to the hotel, chill for a little bit, then maybe come back out tonight. Catch you guys later.